Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge is still in this price channel. Yeah, we've got this ascending price channel here to the upside that started to form after the 13th of May low when the price bottomed on the 13th of May here at around 13.5 cents. And the idea is currently, that's at least what I'm tracking, that a fourth wave bottomed here on the 1st of May. Yeah, we had a third wave top here on the 5th of March, then A wave down, overshooting B wave, not uncommon after a 3-wave move in an A wave. And then the C wave down is an ending diagonal. And also, you know, if you check like overshooting B waves, in theory, they shouldn't go above the 1.38 retracement of the A wave. Well, didn't happen. So that's all good. And yeah, the wave 4 at least it can be counted and interpreted as complete. And the 5th wave to the upside might be unfolding right now. Again, it would also be an ABC structure. So A, B, C in wave A, then a B wave pullback and the C wave up. That's sort of how I track this 5th wave. And the reason is that the entire move up is an ending diagonal. That's why the 5th wave needs to be an ABC structure. Basically, the 3rd wave was as well an ABC. It's a complete mess here. So therefore, we have to be on the side of caution. And I mentioned it many times. We have to basically babysit this chart. We have to observe it very closely for potential breaks here and there. And if we're tracking this, then the C wave, ideal C wave target is at 18.3 cents. So A, B, C. How do we determine that? Well, okay, I shouldn't say the ideal C wave target is 18.3 cents. It's more like the C wave should actually reach 20 cents. So A, B, C. And the reason is that the A wave has a certain length and the C wave typically has the same length. So A equals C should take us to 20 cents. But the internal structure at least points towards 18.3 cents. That's the first ideal target. First, I can always go higher, right? So I'd say it would be ideal if we get to 18.3 to 20 cents in wave C of 5 of C of A. Okay, so one more high. However, this idea that we get one more high will basically, well, it has to be revised or thrown out of the window if there is a break below this red line. And this is the invalidation point for this micro structure. Yeah. The reason is that the wave 4 already was quite deep. So it already reached, like, I think when we tracked the micro, it reached already the 61.8 fib level at the time. Yeah, reached the 61, even broke briefly below it, but in a diagonal, that's okay. So there was no invalidation, but reached the 61.8 fib level. So there shouldn't really be a low below that level now, at least not in this wave count. So that means if there is a low, then it means that something more bearish is likely playing out, which I don't really know what it would be. I mean, it would mean that we are likely going to test the lower main support region. But for now, I allow for further upside. I don't have any more micro counting to offer here. So I'm looking for one more high, sorry. Other than, yeah, it might be that this C wave is unfolding. Okay, any break below today's low or the Monday low would mean the B wave might still be unfolding. C wave hasn't started yet, but the red line is really what we need to be watching for as key and validation point. And once this 5th wave of wave C of A is complete, yeah, then we should see a B wave pullback. I can give you a target for that once we have topped in wave A. Where could it go to? I think I think it's reasonable to assume it might sort of test 14 cents, this B wave pullback. And then from there, a C wave rally that should take us towards 27, 28 cents. Let's also take a look at the Doge long-term chart. Doge long-term chart. Here you can see that you can see the microstructure. And the idea is that after this larger degree 4th wave low in June 22, this is the structure we're dealing with. Wave 5 ideally sends us to $1 or higher. And even though I don't really see the microstructure that could take us there, so I'm tracking the micro until it breaks, but we have a wave 1 and 3 waves to the upside, which topped in November 22, around 16 cents, wave 2 pullback. And here you can see, that's why I'm tracking this third wave as an A, B, C, and the C wave is an ending diagonal, small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, could get one more high. And then this would complete a larger third, then a larger fourth, and a fifth. And this larger third that we've just looked at on the smaller time frame should take us towards 27, 28 cents. Yeah, this is my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.